Hi everyone, I wanted to briefly show you Local Deep Research, a tool to research complicated questions and get detailed reports or quick summaries for them. So how the tool works is by like searching various sources, not only search engines, and like also deciding what kind of sources are the most like fitting, like for example PubMed or arXiv or Wikipedia, and deciding which of these sources are the most suitable for your type of questions. And what it does then is, so basically let's put in the like question, and let's just say detailed report, which will take a bit longer, quite a lot longer actually, but okay, and let's start the research. So, and what it does now is like it will conduct this research process. In the background, you can run this with various large language models. You can use local models for it. There's also other like ways, like you can use any OpenAI endpoint. And what it does, it will search, and you can see here the search process. And then it will continue and search on these topics, and will think about different research questions that are relevant for this. And what will happen next is you can so this will continue now and will research this topic, and it will combine all of these information in like a report. And let's just, because this takes longer now, let's go here into past reports that we did. So I wanted to especially show you this medical report, because so as you can see here, by using this focus on medical sources, for example, we will get a lot of PubMed as sources, and you can also, like, let's say you're interested in one of this, for example this first one, you can directly click on it and you will find this report here. Okay, so, and you can also find others here. Yeah, so, and let's see what also happens if we don't focus so much on medical in this. Like a very similar question: how can we effectively overcome stress in 2025? So you will see that in this case now it shows us a lot of more like other sources like Semantic Scholar, because it thinks this is also a question of other areas that could be relevant to this. And you can also always go down here and look at the different search questions and can see the different like intermediate results that it generated. So now let's also look at the detailed report. For example, spice trade routes between Europe and Asia. Yeah, so you can see here the first the table of contents. So it will generate this table of content, and you can see also like what it recommends the searches to focus on in this specific section, introduction. It says, yeah, it should focus a little bit on the background and so on. Yeah, and then it generates these actual detailed sections, which then can also that you can also read then. Yeah, this is so this is that. It can also be used for, like, for example, for fusion energy. You can see here, and then let's go a little bit to the sources. I know already it will use a lot of arXiv sources for this, which is quite good for recent topics. And you can also see it does not only use arXiv actually. It also uses, for example, The Guardian, as you can see here, and other sources. Yeah, and let me briefly show you also the settings. Like, so we have various settings. At the moment, these are just like files, but you can basically see that it will show you always your location here, and then you have to edit these files how you want to change, for example, how many iterations you want, and so on. We plan to optimize this, but it also needs to be easily editable for us, because like we might add new variables and so on, and then changing everything all the time in the front end is maybe at the current stage not the most efficient. But you can also click on this and it will open this folder. So additionally, what you can so you have also various other configuration things, for example, for your local documents, but also for API keys and for the search engines. Yeah, and so the most important thing is to so if you want to use this tool, what you should do is you should go to GitHub, local deep research, GitHub. So, and then, give us a star, and then you see here the way how you can install it. Also, if you want to contribute, it would be great. And so we have a Discord link here somewhere where we coordinate for how we want to contribute on this project. So, where is it? Yeah, so here you see Discord, and just join our Discord server if you're interested to work together with us on this open source project. Yeah, thanks for watching.